So myself Chinmay Kumar Panigrahi, Professor and Director School of Electrical Engineering. At the same time I am also the Director co-branded program KIIT deemed to be University. We have two BTech programs, BTech in Electrical Engineering, BTech in Electrical and Computer Engineering, and we have three MTech programs with specialization. One is power transmission drive, second one is power system engineering, and third one is power and energy system. And besides BTech and MTech, we have also PhD program. The PhD program, that is the PhD in Electrical Engineering. KIIT School of Electrical Engineering has two USP. We are very much focused about the placement of our students and also the research ambience. Since inception, the KIIT School of Electrical Engineering has been collaborated with the different agencies to promote the research, academic ambience, and also the industry connect. We have a very good student monitoring system, and our some faculty members are from IITs and NITs, and mostly 95% of faculty members have PhD degree.